Hey, what's up guys, it's ThatKiddJake, and today I want to talk about WWDC 2012. I'm going to talk about actually what is WWDC, give you some background information, and then talk about some of my predictions of what actually they might be releasing and or talking about in this conference. So WWDC, like I said, is Worldwide Developers Conference that's held in San Francisco from June 11th through 15th, and by the title you can tell it's a conference for developers, meaning people that make apps for the App Store and just people that want to learn and get some help and maybe even make their skills even better by going to this developers conference. And it's like a whole week, so you'll be able to talk with Apple engineers and other people from Apple and get help or do some fascinating stuff there. But now I want to talk about some of my predictions. So first off, last year at WWDC they talked about software, and that was iOS 5, Mac OS 10 Lion, and iCloud. Now what I predict for this WWDC is probably still going to be software. I think they have had a couple product launches. I'm not exactly sure what at WWDC, but it's a possible thing to happen. A lot of people are saying maybe Apple might introduce an actual TV, not a cinema display, but actual TV that you HDMI you can plug in anywhere and use your cable box and stuff like that. And also there's maybe a Mac Pro update. That's what people are wanting, and also all the hype going on about the mini iPad. And I might make a separate video for that, so I won't talk about it too much. So those are the possible things. Some people say iPhone, but no, that's probably like a 90% no for me, mainly because it's way too short from October when it was released to now. I think they would at least wait a whole year. So I don't think they'll be doing too much product launching. I think it'll be software. So what software? So I think the first thing, of course, is Mac OS 10 Mountain Lion, which I did a video about, just going through some of the features that they gave us. And they're definitely going to be mentioning this and maybe having a whole section for this, most likely to show it how it works actually on the stage. And which Mac OS 10 Mountain Lion is the bringing iOS to Mac and integrating it even more. So I have a video on that. If you can check it out right here. Also, possibly iOS 6. Right now, the current version is iOS 5.1, and they released iOS 5 right when the iPhone 4S came out, and it brought a lot of key features that should have been on the iPhone already, in my opinion, but also integrate it with iCloud and help with all that different stuff. But in this iOS 6, a lot of people, main reason people go to Android over iPhone, because Android is a lot more customizable, and a lot of it is, and you can do a lot more stuff with it. In my opinion, I don't see Apple really with iOS 6. I see it like integrating everything more, making everything easier, and making just a lot more functionality. That's all I can see. Because the reason why a lot of people don't understand this, that the reason why people get iPhones, especially adults or a lot older people that didn't have this technology when they're younger, they want it to be easy. They don't want all these customization. They don't want all this unnecessary things. They want it to work great, and that's Apple's goal. So I don't see them changing that. They could potentially have maybe more customizable themes and stuff like that, but I don't see it actually being a main header, because a lot of people don't realize why Apple's successful. And a lot of people, it's actually ridiculous that people complain when most of the people that buy Apple products is because of their clean, easy, clean, and easy to use interface. And that's pretty much why people get iPhones and iPads, because it's a lot easier to use, or even Macs. I find it a little bit easier than a PC to do some things. So I see it going towards software. They could throw a curveball at us and like pop up an iPad mini or something like that. But I think it mainly be about software, maybe some new things in iCloud, potentially, maybe something new. We'll have to see. It's going to be in June 11th through 15th, and tickets are sold out, and they cost $1,600, which is pretty crazy in 2 hours. Man, I wish I could go, but they're sold out. But yeah, I will be updating you on exactly what they talked about on June, whenever the they talk about everything. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll be coming out with a few more videos and this next week. Sorry I haven't been posting. I've been really busy and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys.